Step into the world of classic motivation with these 10 uplifting quotes inspired by vintage typewriter wisdom. 1. Creativity begins when you stop questioning your own voice. Trust your instincts fully and let your unique ideas flow freely without hesitation. 2. Persistence is the key that unlocks every stubborn ribbon. Keep pushing forward, even when progress feels slow or obstacles arise. Every blank page is an invitation to begin anew. Don't fear starting over. Embrace the endless possibilities that come with a fresh start. 4. Focus on one word at a time and the story will write itself. Break big goals into manageable, focused steps to avoid overwhelm. 5. Mistakes are proof that you are typing. Errors are a natural part of growth. Learn from them and keep moving forward. 6. Ink your dreams into reality, one letter at a time. Small, steady actions consistently lead to meaningful success. 7. Every clack is a step closer to your masterpiece. Celebrate every bit of progress, no matter how small it seems. 8. Don't wait for inspiration. Start typing and let it find you. Taking action often sparks the motivation you need. 9. Rewrite, revise, and repeat. Perfection is a process. Improvement comes through persistence and dedication over time. 10. Your words have power. Use them wisely. Speak and write with clear intention to make a positive impact.